In last 1 year, there are so many updates for Galaxy S10. Let's see them.
If you like unboxing, review and comparison, subscribe now.
On September 2019, there was an update where live focus photo options were changed. Live focus video option was newly added to the camera, added new features like link to Windows, dynamic lock screen, and improved video editor. It took more than 9 minutes to update the phone. Now these live focus video options are different. Previously, live focus video feature and night mode photography options were not available in the front camera. But now, Samsung added these features. Link to Windows is a new option added to the shortcut panel, by which you can directly connect your S10 with your Windows device. When you double tap on lock screen and slide left from edge of the phone, you will see the dynamic lock screen. You have to download to use them. After downloading, double tap on locked screen and slide left to see all wallpapers. After every few days, these wallpapers are changed automatically. On October, there was another update where mainly slow motion camera was added to the front camera. Media and devices were newly added. This update took almost 8 minutes and this device became little hot. Then it took 12 more minutes to finish downloading updates. That means it took 20 minutes to update. See now, media and devices are new options for S10. In December 2019, Samsung finally released official One UI 2 with Android 10 for Galaxy S10, which was One UI 1.1 and Android 9 before. If you tap 3 times on Android version, you can see it. To install update, you need almost 16 minutes. Shortcut panel's appearance has been changed. Now, screen recorder and focus mode are new options for this version. Screen recording is very simple. If you tap screen recorder for the first time, they will ask you for the permission to take picture and record videos. Allow to use this feature. Then in 3 ways you can record mobile screen. Option 1, without any sound. Option 2, with the sound come from your phone. Option 3, sound come from your phone and whatever you say means your phone mic will be activated. In 2020, I got several updates, but there is nothing that much important to show, so I recorded them with the screen recorder.